The Thermann C7 continuous flow unit is manufactured in Japan using the latest technology and highest grade materials and is designed for ultimate efficiency. The C7 gas continuous flow system works in the same way as a conventional gas continuous flow unit by heating the water as it flows through your unit. However, the C7 has an additional heat exchanger, which captures the hot exhaust gases to preheat your water. This means that the system produces hot water faster and is 15% more efficient than that of a Thermann 6-star unit. The Thermann C7 continuous flow unit comes in a 26-litre model, which is compact in size, taking up less room on the side of your house. The Thermann C7 continuous flow unit has a 12-year heat exchanger warranty, including 3 years full parts and labour. These units are perfect for those looking for ultimate efficiency and lower running costs. As always, these units must be installed by a licensed plumber.